10.
All right, good morning, YouTube. So this morning we are trying to finish up our subfascia. Let's see if I can get you straightened up here. Whoa, other way. Okay. Our subfascia, we are using 2x12s, and our rafter tails, because of irregularities in the, gosh dang it, still not right, irregularities in the concrete and what have you, it just puts these guys out just a hair. And the wood was not the best either. A lot of checks in it and a lot of warping, and so we're having to kind of muscle them into place. And when you put them onto the 2x12, it kind of fares everything out and makes it all at least smooth. So if you can see here, we're still a little bit proud of where we need to be, so we'll crank down on it a little bit more and then put a screw in it. At the same time, we got our stud wrench there to move things back into position. In this case, it's a tail wrench, rafter tail wrench. Yeah, so we got almost everything done except the office, and we ran out of wood. So we're trying to get it finished up. This is my office, or will be my office. And then we still have to figure out a little bit more bracing in the corner. Let's see if I can raise you up and point you down. So in those corners, we don't have near enough structure yet. So we're still contemplating and figuring out how to do those. Each one's different because of how the measurements worked out. As long as we get enough stuff in there to, ooh, sunlight in your eyes, to be able to attach the soffit to and provide enough support. I mean, this thing's going to have a ton of support with these 2x6s all anchored to that same 2x12. It's pretty stout. So that's what we're trying to do.